The press. As usual, we are being taken in circles. We went to the DCI headquarters, which was just sufficient to handle this matter because it is under the NPS, National Police Service. But they directed us that we come to Muthaiga police station, as Comrade has stated. We are here. They are still not interested in Oliver, and they are directing us that we have to go to Kisumu, where Oliver is required by the RCIO, Mr. George Mutonya. I want to state clearly that, Comrade, this George Mutonya is already conflicted. There's conflict of interest. Before we went to Homa Bay, he called my brother-in-law, Geoffrey. He called my brother-in-law, warning my brother-in-law that we should not step in Homa Bay. So he knew what was going to happen in Homa Bay. So George Mutonya, you must not take sides in this matter. It seems that the National Police Service Facebook page or social media handles are handled by a blogger that even the police can't understand, because when we are here, they don't know such an information that Oliver should report to any or the next police station. We are here. The next thing you will hear, because one Abdi was released to go and arrest Oliver from Nairobi region. Right now we are being told that he is being needed in Kisumu. Peter Kaloma today has issued a statement giving a list of people who should be arrested. Oneni venye hii nchi iko na wajinga kweli. This man, you know, it is alleged at one point, unakumbuka ile gazeti ya Nairobian ilikuwa inasema ya kwamba alikuwa na kaswende. Umejua kaswende na haribu akili, ina make watu wanakuwa mad. Si mliona hiyo nyinyi watu wa media, mliona hiyo gazeti? Hiyo ugonjwa kama haikumaliza kutibiwa kwa Kaluma, arudi hospitali. Wale watu wote ambao ameweka kwenye hiyo list, those are our personal security officers. Wanawaweka hapo, I don't know who and who, murder charges, who and who, robbery with violence charges. Hizo ni upuzi mwingi sana. And wacha niambie Kaluma, because ni kama haelewi sheria, anasema yeye ni wakili. Every case must be treated with its own facts and merit. You cannot associate one case to the other. You cannot. That takes us back to the doctrine of contemporaneous similar fact evidence. You cannot. It's a long case that I wish to state, but that's a story for another day. So the people that have been placed in that list are our personal security officers. Today we've seen goons in Homa Bay celebrating. You will see those clips. They are celebrating how they attacked our people, how they maimed and killed our supporters. So we still insist that Kaluma must be arrested and Wanga must be arrested. Hii maneno ya kucheza games and we know what is happening, hii ni upuzi mwingi sana. And I still repeat that Kaluma hauta honor the doors of parliament in 2027. I'll be in charge of taking you home. Isaiah Ogwe will be the next MP for Homa Bay town constituency. Asante.
Unlike the DCI headquarters, at least we have gotten out here with something. But it started with the OCS telling us that he was unaware of that posting by the National Police Service, that Oliver is required to report to the next police station. The OCS then made inquiries, consultations, and sought directions from his seniors, and eventually the OCPD joined us, and he said that his advice, after establishing that they had no information of the posting by the National Police Service, that Oliver should report to the next police station. He advised that his information and direction was that Oliver may be required to appear before the RCIO Nyanza. All that I'm telling you has been recorded in the parents' book, OB number 35 of today at 15 hours. And it has stated that both Mheshimiwa Babu Owino, myself, and Oliver and his wife appeared. So to that extent, I think Muthaiga Police Station has done what they could possibly do, but the National Police Service must make sure that what they post or what they say is shared in the entire National Police Service. Because when we went to the DCI, they had no information. When we came here, we had no information. So at least now we have established that we are required by the RCIO Nyanza, and that is in Kisumu. We are hoping that the police would not play any tricks, because Oliver has come here as a citizen who is patriotic and as a law-abiding citizen, that between now and the time we report to the RCO Nyanza, they will not play any games, because we still can appear, and will appear when we think it's appropriate to do so, when both Babu Owino and myself can avail ourselves, so that he doesn't just go there alone or with his wife.
Hello? Hello?
Friends. Finally, I hope from what I'm seeing in the media, because the notorious Peter Kaluma also made a reference to Oliver, that the police must make sure
Mutoni.
they carry out proper investigations.
Mutonya.
And you have seen the police doing their work
Mutonye or Mutonya.
with speed. I remember there was that member of parliament from Central who would not get to his home within hours. He had been arrested. So we don't understand why Kaluma is still free and making all these allegations, false allegations. So I think we have something to take home.